High in the mist-shrouded mountains, a legend spoke of the Thunderbird. With wings that eclipsed the stormy sky, it was said to summon lightning and thunder, shaping tempests at will. Tales told of its majestic roars, echoing through the valleys. Yet the Thunderbird remained elusive, its existence uncertain. Some believed it was a guardian spirit, protector of the peaks, while others dismissed it as mere myth. Despite endless quests to unveil its truth, the Thunderbird's mystery endured, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the mountains and the untamed imagination of those who dared to explore their heights.